some of you may be thinking, wait, Team B, how does this even work? Can't the Arduino only supply voltage to one LED at a time? How are you lighting up all the LEDs at the same time? It doesn't make any sense. Well, the answer to that is multiplexing. You see, when you see that all the LEDs are lighting up at the same time, they're not actually lighting up at the same time. It's really only one LED blinking on and off extremely fast. In fact, fast enough that your eyes cannot even track the movement. Whenever something blinks on and off quickly enough, your eyes just see it as blinking as a solid color. Exploiting this illusion in your eye is called multiplexing. Multiplexing is the act of blinking a certain LED on and off extremely quickly so that it looks like it is just being turned on. And in the time that that LED is turning off, you're blinking another one rapidly on and off, so that even though the Arduino is just blinking two different LEDs in an alternating power scheme, you are seeing those two LEDs blink on. You are seeing those two LEDs be a solid color. And this potentiometer is how we adjust the LEDs to blink from slowly to rapidly.
This is the drawing file for our project. It's a box that's 9 inches long, 5.31 inches wide, and 2 inches tall. There's a hole through the center of the roof with a shelf underneath. This shelf will hold the LED lights. They'll be set on top of it. There is a hole on the side that's 1 by 1 inches to fit a USB cord. This will power the actual lights, and the actual box in our project is made up of four separate wooden planks and smaller, longer, thinner wooden planks that will actually stretch across and form the roof.
So here we're going to be looking at the finished product. Here on the left, my left at least, you can see that there is a cable that goes to the computer, which provides power to the Arduino. Right now, the LEDs are flashing quite slowly. On the side, we have a potentiometer. By turning this, which I'm going to show you right now, turn it very slowly, we're going to speed up the frequency with which the LEDs flash. It's going faster and faster. Flashing very fast now, and now it's continuous. We're flashing about 30 Hz right now, so you can't tell when it's off and when it's on.
Of how the code works. This code here is the same code inside the Arduino, and that's what's controlling the final product. Void setup, this is just establishing which pins do what. Pins 2 through 5, those control the rows of the sculpture, and pins 6 through A4, these control the columns. Pin A0 is a little special one. It'll take an input from the potentiometer, and this input will control the frequency with which the LEDs flash. Coming down to the main body, void loop, this will continue to loop until you pull the power in the Arduino, and is controlling how the LEDs flash.